Welcome to Magic Horizons. In these video instructions, we will show you how to use a tablet as a remote control for the VR glasses. We provide an app for using a tablet to remotely control the VR glasses, Magic Horizons Tablet Remote. This app is available for Android tablets. A current Android tablet version 10 or newer is required. Please note, to enable one or more VR glasses to be used remotely from a tablet, all devices must be connected to each other in the same Wi-Fi network. To do this, first connect the tablet to your Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings and then to Network and Internet. Under Wi-Fi, find your network and enter the Wi-Fi password. To connect the VR glasses to the Wi-Fi network, press the Wi-Fi symbol in the Magic Horizons main menu with the green laser beam. Select the same network as the tablet. Then enter the Wi-Fi password with the laser beam on the virtual keyboard. Once you've entered your password and the VR glasses are connected to the Wi-Fi network, press the back arrow symbol shown below. You will then return to the Magic Horizons main menu. The Magic Horizons app can be downloaded free of charge from the Google Play Store. To do so, enter Magic Horizons in the Play Store search field on the tablet, download and install the app. On the tablet, press the MH Wi-Fi Easy app. This controls the Easy mobile. The separate MH Wi-Fi Premium app controls the Premium mobile. You can choose whether you want to connect one or more VR glasses to the tablet. When you select single VR glasses, a flashing Wi-Fi symbol appears. Press it. Our system generates a session number. Then continue in the VR glasses. Within single VR glasses, in the Magic Horizons main menu, press the connection symbol. The session list menu opens. There, press the same number displayed on the tablet. If you've selected the Multiple VR Glasses option on the tablet, please log on one VR glasses after the other, following the same system. The tablet shows you in orange how many VR glasses are connected. When all VR glasses are connected, press All VR Glasses Registered on the tablet. The tablet and the VR glasses are now connected, and you can operate the VR glasses remotely from the tablet. In the tablet app, you can select the following from the main menu: Trailer, Playlists, and the single applications. You can change the volume, set the language, and select the sitting position, 90 degrees, and 2 lying positions. Within a running application, you have the following options. In the window on the left, you can see in a video what the users see in the VR glasses. You can change the volume for all VR glasses at the same time. Press play, pause, and see the remaining running time of each application. You can close an application by pressing the X symbol. By pressing the microphone button, you can speak directly to all VR users at the same time. Keep the button pressed while speaking. Once you release the microphone button, the microphone is muted. This microphone feature is particularly useful for moderating a joint VR session, a talk, or an event. All VR users should also use headphones. In the trailer, you can start a 3-minute trailer for an initial overview. In the playlists, you can start the same categories of playlists as in the VR glasses. By pressing the forward symbol at the bottom right, you can move forward one application within a running playlist. Everyone sees the same applications in a playlist. You show single VR applications in the single applications. The white door symbol at the very bottom takes you from the playlists and the single applications back to the main menu on the tablet. In the Premium Mobile and the corresponding MH Wi-Fi Premium Tablet app, there is a separate category for the interactive exercises inside the single applications. In Crystal Cave and Moon Experience, you select the particles. In Number Training, you select the level of difficulty. In Kinesiology, you select the corresponding exercise, and in Soundwave, you select the audio. In some interactive applications, there is a blinking play symbol. Then press it to start the exercise. If you want to connect multiple VR glasses to one tablet, this will take some time. In order to save battery power, the VR glasses are set to enter sleep mode after 1 minute if they're not used. In sleep mode, however, the tablet and VR glasses are disconnected for technical reasons. If the first VR glasses logged on enter sleep mode too early, they're logged off again. For this reason, when using multiple VR glasses with the tablet, the sleep time in the VR glasses must be extended or turned off completely. To do this, double-click the Home button on each controller for each VR glasses that you want to connect to the tablet in multi-user format. This takes you to the System menu of the VR glasses. There, press the gear symbol on the top row. At the bottom left, press Developer, then scroll all the way down in the white list by pressing the trigger button and moving the laser beam. From there, press System and then Developer Options. Quickly scroll all the way down to almost the end of the list. First, press System Sleep Timeout. In the Settings window, set a longer time, or simply press Never. Then set the same time in Screen Off Timeout. Briefly pressing the Home button once takes you back to the Magic Horizons software. Please do not change anything else in the System menu to ensure that the Magic Horizons VR software works as intended. If you again want to use the VR glasses without a tablet, you should set the sleep time back to 1 minute, as described above, in order to save battery power. To do this, double-click the Home button on each controller for each VR glasses. The Quick Settings menu opens. Click on Settings menu. Click on Developer and select Industry Settings and click on the left System. First press System Sleep Time. In the Settings window, set a longer time or simply press Never. Then set the same time in Screen Off Time. Briefly pressing the Home button once takes you back to the Magic Horizons software. If you again want to use the VR glasses without a tablet, you should set the sleep time back to 1 minute, as described above, in order to save battery power. Thank you. your Magic Horizons team.